Hi guys, welcome to Bhanot Talks. Guys, today we are going to talk about two latest updates which WhatsApp has received, and I'm sure that after watching the video you will really love the updates. So guys, first of all what you have to do is that go to Play Store and type in here WhatsApp, right? Open WhatsApp and you will see an update here in place of open. Now since I have already updated my WhatsApp, I request you that you update your WhatsApp, and after updating the WhatsApp kindly go to WhatsApp and open WhatsApp. Right now what I am going to tell you is pretty interesting. Now guys, say let me open any chat. Now when I am in a particular chat, if I type on the emoji on this left side, you see stickers like these. Now all these stickers are static stickers. Like for example, if I send a sticker, this sticker is not an animated sticker. Now what has happened is that in this update WhatsApp has provided you with an amazing new feature which they call is animated emojis or animated stickers, which you can use. Now how you can use them, let's see. Guys, now click on this plus icon on the right side. It will take you to the stickers section of WhatsApp. Now you will see here the animated stickers. Let me show you. For example, if you click on any one of the stickers, see, now this sticker is an animated sticker and it looks amazing if you send it to someone. So what you have to simply do is that go to this section and on the bottom corner download this stickers. Right now when these are downloaded to your gallery, right, you can simply use them. Now these, say if I click on these stickers, all are animated stickers, they look wonderful, and when you send to someone they would look amazing. So let's see how we can use them. Right now simply what you have to do is that click on the icon on which you will see a green dot. Right now these are the animated stickers which I have recently downloaded. If you want to send any of the stickers, tap on the sticker and that particular sticker would be sent, and you see how cool it looks. So this way guys, you can send animated stickers to your friends and family members and enjoy this update of WhatsApp, which is really cool. So this was the first update regarding the animated stickers. Right, second update is, for that you have to go to settings of WhatsApp, and on this page click on top right corner on this section. Now here you will find the QR code. Now this is my QR code. Guys, earlier what was happening is that if you wanted to add a number of your friend, you have to go to your phone dialer, you have to say feed the number, and then you have to add it to your contacts, and then you can WhatsApp to that particular number. But now what you can do is that go to this section, click on this, scan the code, say scan the QR code of your particular friend, and that after you scan the code, that number would be automatically added in your contacts right there, and you can WhatsApp that particular number. So this is also an amazing update. By simply scanning the QR code, you can add the mobile number to your phone directory to your call list. Right, so guys, these were the two updates regarding WhatsApp which I wanted to show to you. I hope that you have liked the video, you will use these updates, and if still you have any comments, kindly tell me in the comments section. I thank you very much for taking your time out for watching the video, and as usual I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.